In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Amazon Seller Order History Repost. If you need a clean copy of your Amazon order history for tracking, taxes, or bookkeeping, I'll show you how to view recent orders right on the site and how to request a complete downloadable report when the usual CSV button isn't available. Start by opening your web browser and going to Amazon.com. Sign into your account using the same login you use for your purchases. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and hover over Account and Lists, then click it. From the menu, choose your orders. This page shows every purchase associated with your account. At the top, use the filters to narrow things down by time period or order status. For quick checks, try options like the last 30 days, the past 6 months, or the past year, and scroll to review what you need. If you already know what you're looking for, scanning by date or status can make it faster to locate specific purchases. If you're looking for a downloadable file, note that Amazon no longer offers a simple CSV export button on the orders page in many regions. Instead, you can request your full data, which is the closest way to get a comprehensive report of all your orders. While signed in, go to your account, then look for a section labeled Privacy and Data or Request My Data. In that area, choose Order History. You can include other categories if you want a broader archive, but order history is the key piece. Submit your request to start the export. Now wait for Amazon to process it. When it's ready, you'll receive an email with a link to download a zip file. This can take a little time, especially for accounts with many orders, so be patient. The download link is time limited for security, so it's best to grab the file as soon as you receive the message. That archive typically includes your purchase information in formats like CSV, JSON, or PDF. Save the file somewhere secure so you can reference it later. If you plan to analyze the data, CSV works well with spreadsheets and accounting tools, and JSON is handy for more advanced data processing. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or junk folder just in case the message gets filtered. And that's it. You've reviewed your orders directly on Amazon and requested a full order history report that you can download and use. Follow these steps anytime you need an updated copy, and you'll always have your records organized and ready when you need them.